I transferred to BGSU because I wanted the university experience. At my community college, I was just thinking like, I need more, I need something more. I felt like an emptiness, and I wanted more opportunities to make new friends, meet new people. And I didn't want to go through college, or go through my education or go through life, not, thinking about, and regretting not getting the university experience. I guess if I could describe it, it's like summer camp, but for like a whole year, like you're away from home, and you're away from your parents, and, they come and visit, but you're ultimately away from your parents. You're doing academics, and you're kind of just doing your own thing. So, it gives you several opportunities to find yourself and, discover what you might be interested in or what new passions you will develop, and understand yourself better as a person.